Today we're going to show you how to pair your Android Auto in your new Buick Envista. Now we'll start by the infotainment screen here. You can select that little phone button, and if you don't have any phone paired, we'll click Manage, and then we'll click Add Phone here on the left. Now this is when we're going to go to our actual phone. So you'll see the little gray cog wheel for settings, and then if we scroll down you'll see Connections, and that's going to show you where your Bluetooth is. So in this case we'll turn on Bluetooth, and then you're actually just going to again click on the Bluetooth, and now we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see My Buick down here. So once My Buick pops up, you can go ahead and select that, and now it will give us a code. So you're going to want to make sure the code matches so you pair on the phone and on your screen up here. Now this is where Android Auto is going to pull up. So if you click Enable on here, and then you can access your contacts through your phone, so you can either allow that or deny it. In my case I'll deny since I won't be keeping this vehicle, but you'll notice Android Auto pops right up here. So you've got your Google Maps on here, and then if you click the little icon button, that's where all your apps are going to be found. So you can go through and use those, or just go back to the menu. You've got your music or your commute on here. It's very convenient and safe when you're on the go. Now if you have any other questions on how to use or pair this, make sure to reach out. We'd be happy to help.